Hello, in this video I show you how to remove and replace the rear brake discs and brake pads on Skoda Superb. Here we can see that the brake disc is in very bad condition. The brake pad is only grinding on the metal on the brake disc, and that's why we need to change it. So first we start removing the two bolts for the brake caliper, and then these two bolts for the brake caliper support. We're going to use a wrench size 16 to hold the slider while we remove the bolt. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the bolts are removed, we can remove the brake caliper and the brake pads. We can see that the outer brake pad is in a very bad condition and it's being grinding on the metal. Next we're going to remove the bolts for the brake caliper support. Now that the bolts are removed, we're going to remove the brake caliper support, and next we're going to remove the brake disc. In order to remove the brake disc, we only need to hit on it on the inside there and it will come out. Next we're going to clean the wheel hub with a wire brush. And next we're going to push the brake cylinder in with the brake caliper compression tool. We need to turn the brake cylinder in order to push it in. Now that the brake cylinder is in, next we can put on the brake disc and then the brake caliper support. Next we're going to put the brake pads on and then the brake caliper and tighten the bolts. Once the bolts are tightened, we can put on the wheel and then we can change the pads and the disc on the other side. And then afterwards we go into the car and press the brake pedal a couple of times so that the brake cylinder returns to normal position. That's it. Thank you for watching.